Good day, everyone. Today, we're going to present one of the key aspects of our manufacturing plant of LycoCubes tomato sauce and stack cubes from tomato, the innovative packaging for our tomato stack cubes. This project is driven by a vision to introduce high-quality, tomato-based products into the market, enhancing their competitiveness and market presence through innovative design and manufacturing processes. The packaging of our tomato stack cubes has been designed to offer consumers optimal convenience and quality, unlocking the full potential of this adaptable ingredient.
Now, I'll be presenting the design rationale behind the packaging of our tomato stock cubes, balancing both functionality and visual appeal while ensuring we communicate key product information effectively. For the primary packaging, we chose a minimalistic approach to reflect simplicity and sustainability. Each stack cube is individually wrapped in a recyclable paper wrapper, aligning with our commitment to eco-friendly practices. To maintain a clean aesthetic, we opted to dry seal the manufacturer's logo directly on the wrapper. This subtle yet distinct branding helps reinforce product identity without overwhelming the design, ensuring the focus remains on the product itself. The secondary packaging, on the other hand, takes a more informative and visually engaging approach. Front and center, we prominently display the product name and the industry logo to make identification quick and easy. Alongside this, we've included the expiration date and the net weight or volume to ensure vital product details are immediately visible to consumers. A key feature of our secondary packaging is the halal certification seal. We place this prominently on the front face to provide consumers with instant recognition of the product certification, ensuring it meets diverse dietary preferences and expanding market accessibility. Turning to the back portion, we meticulously curated essential product details. The nutritional information or nutrition facts panel clearly presents the necessary nutrients per serving, offering transparency for health-conscious buyers. Adjacent to this, the ingredient list ensures full disclosure of what goes into each cube. Additionally, we included the manufacturer or distributor information to build trust and provide a direct point of contact. The storage instructions guide consumers in preserving product quality, while the recipe suggestions and cooking instructions inspire culinary creativity, making the product more versatile and consumer-friendly. For the barcode, which is strategically placed for seamless scanning at points of sale, ensuring a smooth purchasing experience. In essence, our packaging design integrates simplicity, sustainability, and consumer convenience, ensuring the product stands out on the shelf while delivering all necessary information at a glance.
Now we'll explore the material selection for tomato stock cube packaging. In choosing our packaging materials for tomato-based stock cubes, we considered three key layers: the primary, secondary, and tertiary packaging. Now let's break them down one by one. The primary packaging of our tomato-based stack cube is a paper wrapper that is recyclable. This material prevents moisture absorption, oxidation, and microbial contamination, keeping the stack cube fresh and flavorful. Next, we have the secondary packaging. We will be using a paperboard carton with a polyethylene coating. This provides branding space, structural support, and protection from light and external damage. Lastly, for transportation and bulk storage, we'll be using corrugated cardboard boxes, and this will ensure easy handling and prevent damage during shipping. By selecting the right packaging materials, we ensure product quality, longer shelf life, and consumer convenience.
Now I am going to move forward with the discussion of the regulatory compliance. The regulatory compliance of stack cube packaging depends on several key factors including food safety, labeling, and environmental standards. Here are the primary aspects to consider. Number 1, FDA requires that food packaging material meets safety and hygiene standards under the Food Safety Act of 2013 or the Republic Act 10611. Particularly, the food manufacturer or packager must secure from the FDA a license to operate, or what they call the LTO, and in addition, a manufacturer must secure a certificate of product registration or the CPR for each product that it manufactures. To secure and maintain an LTO and a CPR, the food manufacturer or the packager must in general comply with good manufacturing practices and the HACCP provisions, and their food handlers and stewards must have valid health certificates from the Bureau of Quarantine. The next thing to consider is the labeling requirements. Number one is the ingredient list. So it must be clearly stated all the list of ingredients, including the salts, fat, flavor enhancers, and any other allergens. Number two is the nutritional information. Comply with the Codex Alimentarius guidelines and the local food labeling laws. Number three is the net weight. So it is displayed in metric units or in grams. So it is also included the manufacturing details, the name of the company, the address, and the contact information. Also, the expiration date and the lot number. So it is important for traceability. Next is the storage instructions. So it is important consideration for proper handling and storage conditions. Number 7 is the halal or the kosher certification if it is applicable based on the market requirements. Next, let's move forward with the compliance with good manufacturing practices or the GMP and the HACCP. So to align current good manufacturing practices in the Philippines with the international standards, the Department of Health or the DOH specified an administrative order number 15G 2004 or the GMP rules, which specifies the regulations covering person or establishments that manufacture, package, repack, or hold food products to ensure their quality and safety. Compliance by food manufacturer with the GMP rules is currently the basis for issuance of the LTO that I was mentioned earlier by the FDA. The last is the environmental and sustainability regulations. So, eco-labeling if claiming eco-friendly compliance with the ISO 14021. So, it is environmental labels and declaration is recommended.
For consumer consideration, these factors ensure that consumers have all the necessary information to make informed and safe choices that include clear product identification. The product must be easily recognizable through its name, branding, and packaging. This helps consumers quickly identify what they are purchasing and differentiate it from similar products. Next is the nutritional information that provides a detailed breakdown of nutrients such as calories, proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals, and allows consumers to assess how the product fits into their dietary needs and how it goes. Then is serving size. Clear serving sizes and preparation instructions help consumers understand the appropriate portion size and how to properly use or consume the product. Then is the proper storage guidelines. Instructions on how to store the product help maintain freshness, prevent spoilage, and extend the shelf life of the item. Lastly is the expiration date. Clearly marking the expiration or best before dates ensures consumers are aware of the product's freshness and safety. This helps prevent foodborne illnesses and ensures quality consumption. By addressing these factors, it enhances transparency, builds consumer trust, and improves customer satisfaction while ensuring safety and compliance with regulations.
In summary, we've demonstrated how the packaging design for our tomato stock cubes has been crafted, taking into account several critical factors from the initial design rationale, which prioritized consumer convenience and product preservation, to careful selection of materials that ensures both sustainability and quality. We've also highlighted the regulatory compliance measures implemented to guarantee consumer safety and product integrity. Moreover, we've underscored the importance of consumer considerations, ensuring our packaging meets the expectation in terms of usability and appeal. We believe that this comprehensive approach to packaging design will significantly enhance the marketability and consumer satisfaction. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.